In this video, I will be showing you how to make curved text in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and search for a poster template to use as my canvas. I'll scroll through the results and select Create Blank to start with a fresh page. Once the editor opens, I'll head over to the left sidebar and click on Text to add a text box to my design. I'll resize the box and position it in the center. With the text selected, I'll click on Effects in the top menu. In the Effects panel on the left, I'll look under the Shape section and select Curve. This immediately bends my text into an arc. I can then use the Curve slider to adjust the intensity of the bend, sliding it to the right for a downward curve or to the left to wrap the text into a circle. Next, I'll explore some dedicated apps by clicking on Apps in the sidebar and searching for curved text. I'll select the Curved Text app and type my new message into the text field. I'll pick a font that I like and then choose a style, such as a solid fill or an outline. Just like before, I'll use the curve slider at the bottom to find the perfect angle for my design. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll click Add to Design to place it on the page. I can then move and resize this new element independently. By using these simple tools, you can easily add professional-looking curved text to any of your projects. Thanks for watching.